Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your home screens. So you want to go to edit mode, so hold down an app and click edit, or hold down the home screen where there's a blank space. Then click the three dots at the bottom for me, which is your home page at the minute, and now you can tick and cross, tick and remove tick on the home pages. If it's got a tick on it, it will show your home pages. If it doesn't, it will just not show them, but they're all there if you need them, and they'll be in your app library obviously. So thank you guys for watching this iOS 14 video. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist. Peace out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.